Mock-ups in design serve as visual prototypes, providing a tangible representation of a project's layout and aesthetics, aiding designers and stakeholders in evaluating and refining the final product before actual development, ensuring effective communication and design validation. A mock-up is a static representation of a design concept, often a visual prototype that showcases the intended appearance and structure of a final product. It plays a crucial role in visualizing and assessing the design's aesthetics, functionality, and user experience before actual development, aiding in effective communication and refinement. Photoshop's robust features for detailed mockups, layering, smart objects, image manipulation, filters, effects, and extensive customization options. Web design, app development, product packaging, print design, branding and logo design, clothing and apparel design, UI, UX design, architectural design, marketing materials, social media graphics. In summary, mock-ups play a pivotal role in the design process by providing a tangible and visual representation of concepts. They enable designers to evaluate, refine, and communicate ideas effectively across various projects, ensuring that the final product aligns with expectations and meets the desired aesthetic and functional standards. Mock-ups serve as invaluable tools for collaboration, iteration, and validation throughout the design workflow.